In this video, I am going to teach you how to connect ComfyUI to n8n. First things first, head over to their website, which is comfy.org. You should be able to see this. So ComfyUI is typically available on your PC on different operating system. So you can just head over and then download and then sign up for an account. So I have in here this guide in order to add in here or get or generate the API or video API. In order to do that, just log in and purchase credits and go to your workflow, click on the Burrows templates, and then click on the image API or video API. Select on any templates that you want and then generate the key code for that. So for example, here are some options for video API. So you can just click on those right here. They charge the same as the original price for each API. So they will give you an API key that you can use. Next thing that you can do is you can head over right here to n8n. If you do not have an account yet, you can head over and then sign up using the n8n.io. So in here, you can see your actual dashboard. You can see your overview as well as your personal page. In this case, I already have in here my own domain. So I'll just head over here to the credentials. After that, click onto this arrow down button that you can see right here. Click onto this create credential and click onto this search for app. Let's search in here for header since we will be needing the header auth. Click on continue. Input right here the name. So let's input right here Convy UI and then let's input connect. Input right here the value for that. And after this, just click onto the save in order to save this API key that we have generated from our actual create beings right here. So that's how you connect ComfyUI to n8n. Hope we helped.